Dito sa Baguio, nung tayo ay nasa konseho, nagpanukala tayo ng batas at ito ay naapruban requiring all establishments to install CCTV doon sa kanilang mga stores or establishments. Ang purpose natin dito, of course, is for security reasons, and ang primary purpose will be to use the CCTV footage in case of a crime being committed na sakop ng CCTV. And this is supported by the rule on electronic evidence, because under the rules on electronic evidence, ina-admit niya ang video recordings or CCTV as evidence in court. And of course, there are only requirements bago ito ma-admit as evidence. It shall be identified, explained, or authenticated by the person who made the recording. So yung CCTV operator mo dun sa store, or yung security agency, or yung security guard, nakakuha ng CCTV, dapat i-present mo as witness sa court at sabihin niyang siya yung nag-record ng CCTV. Of course, yung accuracy ng CCTV footage ay kailangan din pagtestiguhin. And this is the doctrine dun sa People versus Manansala. And the Supreme Court said na persons authorized to authenticate the video or CCTV recording is not only to the person who made the recording, but also to a witness who can testify to its accuracy. So hindi lang yung nagre-record, pwede rin yung manager ng establishment or yung empleyado ng establishment ang pwedeng mag-authenticate ng CCTV upang magamit as evidence in court.